I'm taking a job at McDonaldland.
Oh, you said it would be cool to go.
Yeah, and then I got the opportunity and I decided to do it.
I don't mind you going. I just wish you would have told me, that's all.
You guys aren't dating. She was just a coworker at Starbucks. Get over it.
And don't forget about all of the hot new coworkers at McDonaldland.
That's not her again. Seriously?
They let you go? Was it the ketchup thing again?
I was so very sorry to hear you got fired from Starbucks.
I'm sorry.
I got Danny hired to work with us at McDonaldland.
You know what she's been going through?
Christian says McDonaldland has a crazy onboarding process.
It's sort of a crazy festival. Special ceremonies and dressing up.
That sounds fun.
Unbelievable.
Welcome and happy Midsommar. Skål!
What time is it?
9 p.m.
That can't be right. I just worked a double.
How long did you work together?
Just over 3.5 years.
4 years.
Really?
Yeah?
What do you think?
It's like another world.
Tomorrow's a big day.
Is it scary?
What is it?
It has special properties.
What am I going through?
We just need to acclimate.
I don't want to acclimate.
I want to quit.
Absolutely not.
What's happening? I don't know why you would hire us.
That's why you look so guilty right now, because wait, my shift meal, dickhead.
We only do this for new employees. I was most excited for you to come. I really hope the health department doesn't show up.